In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Huawei. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Storage. Then tap on Cleanup. Wait a bit and select Cleanup next to Junk Files. Then click on Delete at the bottom, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my Huawei was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!